finally saw an end to that tour.
Yes.
And we found the pool.
The adult pool.
Yes, the adult pool. You can't see it, but over to our left, Europeans sunbathing. Good for them.
Yep.
No objections. It's Thailand. And now we're in the pool and waiting for drinks.
Margaritas.
Yes.
Do you feel my energy? Part of me abilities. I don't know if I'm into you, so I'm sorry if you look confused. I see the way you look at me, but all I feel is apathy. In this light you're looking kinda cute, so I better exit the room. I'm so scared that you'll be waiting up for me. I know it's fucked up.
The Karon night market. Tuesdays and Fridays. We're a little late, but we're here. It's time to eat.
Oh, it smells so good.
Whatever you want. Let's do it. Oh, look at it. Look at it. This is what she wanted. She wanted the fried bugs.
I'm not too. Are you ready for
Let's do it. Let's fucking we're right here. It tastes like nothing.
Does it?
Tastes like nothing. I think the oil is the seasoning, but the actual bug itself, there's nothing in there. It's just dry.
True. Very true.
It's just what you're looking at just psychs you out. Karon night market, it was good.
Mm-hmm.
What do you call them?
Souvenirs for my nieces, family. Got them. Small backpack. Little coin purses. Keychains. Magnets.
And of course food.
Of course.
Now we're at Tuk Tuk. We're going to Bangla Road.
Yeah. Now we're gonna see some little boys.
We're gonna see some crazy shit. Had a cup of coffee, feeling pretty awake. Ready to go. Yeah, man, the world famous Bangla Road in Phuket. You don't gotta find trouble. We're good, we're good. Everybody wants us to watch their ping pong show. And we will. We just gotta figure out which one. It's going down, man. This is nuts. It's like Vegas but on steroids.
Yeah.
It is
Pretty much.
so bad. Full Moon Festival's tomorrow. No, we're good. So we're just about done with Bangla Road. We got to visit 3 fine establishments. Lots of naked women.
Yeah.
And then things women do with their vaginas that you never thought possible.
Like fish
Fish,
and birds.
birds, razor blades,
Ping pong.
balls, smoking.
Weird.
It goes on and on. Hey, best $30 I've ever spent. It was some shit.
Yeah.
And then Daisy got molested. That was cool.
Yeah.
Very friendly girl.
Yeah.
Anyways, we got chicken intestine,
Chicken butt.
chicken butt, regular
Pork.
chicken, and pork.
Yeah.
All for 80 baht.
Okay.
No, we're drunk enough to go in on this. This is happening.
Yeah.
It's happening. It may or may not taste good, but I don't care.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Crazy. Just craziness. Just craziness. All around.
I'm so scared that you'll be waiting up for me.
Okay, chicken butt.
It's
Hit it.
fucked up to dodge the flattery. I don't deserve your words. I'm not listening. You're gonna be so lonely if you think I'm one and only.
Big intestine. Fucking out of here, man. It's been a long night. Originally, I wanted to be here until maybe like, I don't know, maybe 11. It is now almost 1. Man, they get you out here. Get you. There is trouble waiting around every corner for you. And the worst part is you're like, I'm down. I wouldn't mind. All bad. All bad.